Ever wonder why God knows my heart sounds comforting? We use it like a pass, skipping prayer and lashing out. Living reckless but posting Bible verses? God knows my heart. Exactly, He does. Not just the words you say, but the motives you hide, the pride under the I'm just being real, the envy behind the I'm just watching their journey. We say it to excuse what we won't repent for, but He's not fooled. He sees the mask and the mess underneath. So next time you whisper, God knows my heart, remember, He's not just reading it, He's judging it. He knows your heart. That's the problem and the invitation.